Morning everyone. We already have done this lesson, but again I am starting revising the lesson. Okay, the lesson number is 15 and the name of the lesson is Our Body. Can you tell what are these children doing? You can see many pictures are here. Okay, all are lifting their hands. Okay, which parts of their body are they using? So they are using their hands. In each photo they are using their hands. Can you tell? Point out the parts of the body named below. Now you have to point out the body parts. Forehead. Everyone knows what is forehead? Cheek, nose and ear. Tummy means stomach. Chest, arm, wrist, palm, thigh, knee, foot. Okay. Structure of the body. The head, torso, arms and legs are the main parts of the body. Okay. These four are the main parts of our body, like head. This is the head. Okay. This one is head. And this called torso, from shoulder to waist. This is called torso. And this is called arm. And this called legs. These are legs, full legs. Okay. And the head, arms and legs are joined to the torso. Now this head, arms and legs all are joined to the torso. Okay. Head. The head is covered with hair. You can see here. There is hair on the head. Below the forehead are two eyes. You can see below the forehead there are two eyes with eyebrows and eyelashes. You can see eyelashes here. Eyebrows, these are the eyebrows and these are the eyelashes. Okay. On the sides are the ears. Now you can see your ears. 1 ear and 2 ears. Okay. In front is the nose. Now here in front. Okay. Front is the nose. Below the nose is the mouth and below that the chin. What is that? Below the nose is mouth. You can see mouth here. And below that, after the mouth, below there is a chin. This is called chin. Okay. This is called chin. The part that joins the head to the torso is the neck. Now head. Okay. And this is the what? Torso. So they both join with the neck. This is the neck. Okay. So they both join with the neck. Okay. Torso. The chest, abdomen and back together make up the torso. Now you can see this is the chest part. Okay. And this is the abdomen. Here this is abdomen. And this called the back. Okay. They all call torso. The part where the arm is joined to the torso is called the shoulder. Now this everything calls shoulder. This one calls shoulder. Okay. The leg is joined to the torso at the hip joint. This is called hip. Okay. So this is joined with the torso. Okay. Now arm. Arm is, this one is the arm. The arm has three parts. Upper arm, forearm and hand. Understood everyone? There are three parts of arm. First is upper arm, forearm and hand. The fingers are the part of the hand. And these fingers, what? They are the part of the hands. You can see in the picture, upper arm. This one is upper arm. This one is elbow. And this is a forearm, okay, this side. And this one wrist, where you tie Rakhi and watch, okay. And palm, this is a palm. And all this calls hand. These are the fingers. These are the 5 fingers. And this called hand. Understood everyone? The upper arm and forearm are joined at the elbow. Okay, this upper arm and this, they both join with the elbow. The forearm and hand are joined at the wrist. Now this is the forearm, okay? Forearm and hand, they both joined with the wrist. Is with the, this is the wrist. So this both, they have joined with the wrist, this part, wrist, okay? Now leg. The leg too has 3 parts: thigh, shank and foot. Now here you can see leg, okay? This is full called leg. This is thigh here on the top, this is called thigh. This is knee. And this is shank, this part is called shank. This is ankle here, okay? And this is called toes. And this called foot. Understood? Toes are part of the foot. You can see toes are the part of the foot. The thigh and shank are joined at the knee. This is thigh and this is shank. They both are joined with the knee. The shank and foot are joined at the ankle. Now this is shank and this is foot. They both are joined with the ankle. This is ankle. So this is joined with the ankle. Okay, thank you.